wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again! Kids, I'm a bit confused. Olivia asked me to bring 2 pieces of blank white paper, and I know we're back in the arts and crafts studios, but that's all she asked for. 2 pieces of white paper. And I mean, no pens, no paper, so I don't really know what we're doing today and how we're going to do something with just paper. Oh, Olivia, hey! How are you?
Oh, hold on. I can't see you.
Do you need help?
Yeah. Do you want to... Let me...
Oh,
do you want to open this?
What is this?
Well, you know how you're always saying that...
Draw like a pro?
Yep. Draw like a pro. You know how you're always saying that you don't think your drawings are quite as good as you want and you like them to look very realistic?
Yeah, I'm not a good drawer or painter or anything.
Well...
Is this going to make me into a pro?
Yep, exactly. This is a tracing kit.
A tracing kit?
Yeah, so open up on your side.
Okay, I will.
Okay, and here, can you pull it out?
I'm pulling. I got it. Wow, what is this?
That's your big machine.
Is this a machine that basically just, I press a button and it paints for me, and that's why it's a pro?
Oh. Silly. No. If you did that, it would be machine like a pro, but you are going to draw like a pro today, Noah.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So here, let me show you how this works.
Okay.
So it's got some markers here.
I think on this side it opens up.
Oh, yeah. So open your side, and I hold this down. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
And then in that package that's in front of you,
Yeah.
can you pull out one of the orange things, or just dump it all out?
Okay, I'm dumping it all out.
And now hand me one of the orange ones, or a green one. Just hand me one. Yeah. So.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you. Do you see on this? There's like a little picture, right? Yeah. And there, can you see all the little pictures?
Yeah, I see pictures there.
Great. So on the back of this machine, like a slide.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm getting it down here.
Okay.
So we slide that in, and then we slide that in.
Yes.
And then this will be the focus. So now we open this again.
Okay.
Okay. And
then
there's a little button right here. Once I turn this little button on, there's a light. And now, can you see the picture?
Yeah, I see it. There's an image right there.
Yeah. So now, if you take your white piece of paper.
Oh, that's why I was supposed to bring paper.
Yeah. And
now
you put it
I
down
understand
there.
it. So I put that there, and then I take a pen. Oh, there's it.
Yep. It comes with, it's got black and red and green and yellow.
And then I take the black pen
and
then I just trace it. Oh, this is so easy. I can do this too.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm going to be a pro. Yay! Oh, this is so exciting.
I'm so glad you like this.
Yeah, this is great.
Cool. And we'll show you with the green slides that you have. Those
right
green
here?
ones, those ones they're slide wheels.
Okay.
So if you spin it, there's different pictures on each one.
Yeah.
And then you could put the slide in and then move the paper around, and you can have different pictures, or maybe a mountain and an animal in the front, so it gives you the whole scene.
So basically I can create a whole world, a whole picture, and oh my God, this is amazing.
Yeah. So should we try it?
Yeah, let's do that. I really want to do it. I can be pro.
Yay! No, pro.
Oh, maybe I should look at all of those and then select
Look through all of them and see which ones you want to do. And also, there's the paper that we can put more different ones in the orange one too. There's a ton of choices.
Okay, I'm going to go through these
Some
first.
are colored and some are not, so you can have ideas for how to color, or you can make it up yourself.
Okay.
It's great.
Okay, I think I know. Let's turn it around and let me start drawing.
Okay, let's get you ready.
I already pre-selected. I'm not gonna do one of these, maybe later, but I really want to do the crocodile in the car because I think that one's funny.
That's awesome.
So can I put that one on?
Yeah. And then I'll pull all these other designs away so you can use them later if you want.
And I'll put these to the side. Can you turn off the light too? Because this way I can see it better.
Oh yeah, I'll turn off the light.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll use
Is that good?
colors. Yeah, I think so. Now I just need to focus in. Just like that. Oh, that was maybe too much. Hold on. There we go. Okay, I think
Very
now I
nice.
can do that. Since the crocodile is green, I'm gonna make him green. Well, this is so easy to do.
It looks really good.
I hope so.
Wow. You're great at this, Noah.
Well, it makes it easy, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I moved a little bit.
That's okay. It looks good. Wow. That's so neat. I really like it.
Do you like my crocodile?
Yeah, you're so good at this, Noah. Ooh, you really are a pro.
Well, this is certainly making me into the pro.
It's definitely making you draw like a pro, huh? Oh, I'll get you the red marker.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, here's the red marker.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa.
Have I done something?
What?
Or did I do something?
No, that was just me saying well. I was just impressed. Ooh. What a good car. Yeah, and when you're using this, you can turn the board around so you can get to different parts. It's really, really cool. Do you maybe want to do blue wheels?
Yeah, let me do blue
Okay,
wheels.
I'm gonna get the blue marker too.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I need some yellow.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then yellow next.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Wow, I've never been able to draw so good circles.
Yeah, those circles are completely round.
Well, almost. I still need to practice.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Even tracing is hard though.
Oops.
Oops.
That fell out of my hands.
It happens. I'm gonna put these markers in.
I'm done. I
Okay.
think.
It looks really, really good.
Okay, Olivia, you can turn the light on again. I think now it's time to show the kids what I did.
Okay.
Oh.
Woo! So bright.
I wonder what you think of it.
Hold on. Let me see.
See, this is what I did.
Oh, wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah, Noah, that looks great.
I know the circles aren't that perfect yet, but you know, this really teaches me and makes me better because I can trace it and learn the movement and everything, and it's gonna look even better. But for the beginning, I think this is pretty good.
I think it looks great. There's
Yep.
an alligator in a car. That's a really hard drawing to make.
Yeah, I really like that. This is so much fun.
Oh,
Can I
good.
keep this? Because
Yeah.
I think the next one I want to do is, yeah, these are different frogs. So I wonder if I do all of the frogs, I can do a booklet, and then when I twist it or
A flip book?
Oh, a flip book, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Where you flip the pages?
Yeah, I flip the pages, and then I'm making my own frog animation.
Yeah, you can make yourself a little cartoon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that would be fun. Okay.
Okay, let's do that. Can we
Yeah,
start
let's do
now?
that.
Let's
Yeah,
let's
let's
get
do that.
ready. Okay, cool.
Okay, kids. Thanks for watching Dream Again.
Yeah, thank you for coming. We hope you like to draw like a pro.
Yeah, this is really neat. So, kids, if you have any issues or problems with drawing and need help like this to make you into a pro, I highly suggest this because, one, this is a lot of fun, and it's going to help your drawing skills.
Yeah, and also remember you can always trace from another picture online that you print out, or just from a book or a magazine with a piece of paper that's thin.
This is just a little bit more high-tech.
Yeah, well, this one's got all sorts of fancy pictures and like, I don't even know, there's a bunch of the cards up there. So this one's really, really neat, but you can do it different ways.
Okay. Well, thanks, kids, for
Thanks,
watching.
kids.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!